In this video, we will show you how to install and set up Leadtek DMS on the VMware environment. DMS is packaged as an OVF file and includes 5 components. You can deploy DMS either on VMware, vShpere, or Citrix Center. First, open Internet Explorer and type the IP address of ESXi host. It's better to use IE because there are several issues in accessing vShpere with Chrome browser. Provide username and password. Let's log in to ESXi host. ESXi web client interface is really easy to use. Now we select virtual machines on the left-hand side and then click Create Register VN in the top left corner. It will open new virtual machine wizard. On Select Creation type page, please choose Deploy a virtual machine from an OVF or OVF file and click Next. Enter a name for the virtual machine, say DMS. Browse the location of DMS files and select all of them. Checksum will show in the table, so you only see 4 files here. Click Next. Select the data store for DMS. Click Next. On Deployment Options page, you need to enable networks using DMS in networks in your inventory. We have one for internal networking and the other for external networking. If your settings is just like us, please make sure to select the internal one, or you'll find difficulty to manage your thin clients by DMS. Stay on Thin Provision and click Next. Review your settings and then click Next. Now, we are waiting for the deployment to complete. You can see the loading bars in the bottom task list. Normally, it takes about 5 minutes. When the deployment is complete, we go to DMS in the virtual machines list and check its checkbox. Click the screen below to open a console to DMS. Fill in the password to login, which is P@W0RD. Then we go to Terminal to find out the IP address of DMS. Because DMS is a web-based management tool, you can connect to the IP from any of the computers by web browser. That means you are able to manage Leadtek thin clients from anywhere at any time. So just send a command and take notes of the IP address. Here we go, 192.168.128.112. Let's log in to DMS for the first time. Open Google Chrome, Internet Explorer 10 or above, or Firefox, and type in the IP address of DMS in browser's address bar. It takes us to the login page. The default username and password are both administrator, all are small letters. Click Sign In. Here comes Setup Wizard. Initialization only 2 steps. Click OK to move on. Step 1. Specify server domain name or IP. Setting IP address is easier. Just type in what you see on the address bar. In this case, it's 192.168.128.112. If you will change DMS IP address someday, we recommend setting domain name here. We can modify host IP by web console, so using domain name gives us more flexibility in the future. Step 2. Create an administrator account. You have to come up with a different username from the default one. Please remember the account and password. If you forget what you type in here, there's no way to regain access to your account. You need to reinstall DMS. So we recommend creating at least 2 accounts in case user forgets his ID and password. Click Finish to log out. Log in with a new account we just created. And we are in DMS overview page now. Deploy Leadtek thin clients in the same network segment and put them up. DMS will automatically discover them by UPnP. Now you can manage hundreds of thin clients remotely in a few clicks. For more information, please visit leadtek.com or contact our sales and support team.